Hello everyone, welcome to the video on dodgeball.
Tutorial, right?
Yeah, and dodgeball finals, that's it, and it's shared already so you can come and see it. And
Shall I explain again?
yes, it's where this Pickle tries to shoot the Giga with a ball, and the Giga tries to shoot the Pickle with the ball, and then they can avoid it and dodge. But if they reach this point, they can't move forward. So therefore they would have to push back.
Yeah, this is like a actual dodgeball game, right? It's just that this is a one
Except
player.
it's a two-player.
Yeah, it's two player, one on each team, right? Shall we?
Ah,
Or you want to show them, or you want to just go into the code?
Let's play for them.
Done. Now it's players one turn.
And now facing.
Player 1. You got hit.
No?
Player 2. You got hit.
My bad. Why?
Player 1. You got hit. Player 2. You got hit.
Yeah. It's a draw. Oh, I forgot his name.
Time's up.
So it's a draw. Alright, let's show everyone how the code is done, alright?
Okay. Which one should we start with?
Yeah, I think Giga and Pico is the same, so we can just start with one of them. Perhaps we start from this one?
Yeah. Let's do it. So it's like, the whole music bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we sort of chose it. So it took us some time.
Let's go. Alright. So this is really the base code where we set all the variables to 0 and the timer to 60, right? What happens here?
And this is basically the part where you set all the variables. And we have a lot, but we'll cover that later. And first let's cover the movements.
Okay, that's okay. Let's cover that.
And this you can. First you need to add this code because that's why just now it went to the middle here. Remember? See? So right now it's far apart, but then if I click this, they're facing each other.
Okay, goes
That's
back
because
to the
of this
rest
code
position, right?
and this code.
And the rest are relatively simple because it's all what we have done before, right?
Don't care about this tool. We'll cover it later. So once you've covered the movements, you can make your Giga walking and then transfer it. Let me teach you how you transfer it. Do you suppose you already know?
Yeah.
But it's a good habit to show them anyway. See? So when the ball is shaking, you put it. And then look, it's here. But we don't need it.
Yeah, that's how you can transfer the code because it's important for this, right? Because the Giga code is almost identical to Pico code, right? You just need to change the direction and a few other things.
And you
especially
also
the
need
player
to,
turn. Right.
And it took us how long?
Well, an hour or two.
Yeah, an hour or two to figure it out. But anyway, so what should we move on to you next?
Oh, that's a quick explanation. Shall we go through in detail the points below?
Yeah, yes, basically just.
How about the ball? This direction is
costume.
okay, but how about this one?
Yes, probably because wait, is it the when you touch here, move back that one?
Yeah, so this is the part I think. Actually, it's a bit strange. If X position is less than 20, which is around here, this is Giga walking, right? Then set X to
30.
30. Actually, it should be 20. That's interesting. And the idea is that
So it can't move any forward.
he cannot move forward, right? Every time the X position tries to be less than 20, it will just set to 20. That's how we draw the line
Yeah.
for Giga, right? Then we
Mhm.
go down to explain the code here. What happens if we touch the pickleball?
We if you want we should go through that later because we should do
That's
the
true.
pickleball first.
Makes sense. I totally agree. Let's do this.
And then after we explain this, you can transfer it here, except that you must change this key to space and this to Giga walking and this to pickle walking.
Yeah, but can we go through the code?
Yes, certainly.
Let's go through the code.
So asking it to hide because well, one time we had it and it was not that good.
Yeah, it was showing, right? So
Uh-huh.
it's blocking the way.
So it's just to start the sound and create the clone of myself and set turn. So that means after you shoot, you immediately change the turn, and that's how we did the turn. See, and then it says this, and then it says, and then should we go to this?
Yep.
No, we're not done with the pickleball.
We're not done with the pickleball, so no, let's not jump about.
So we've covered this thing, and then later we'll tell you about that. And then when I shut as a clone show, go to pickle walking. That means because when is it this mode is already hidden, and then it wants to show immediately. Show, but you think just to make it better, like we should put go to pickle walking before show.
It doesn't matter, I think.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. So the code here, it's
pretty simple, but
yeah. So you show and then you forever and you let it repeat. Let's go through this right properly so that people understand. So forever until X position is equals to 220. So that then you change it by 30. So you control the speed here. Once you press V, then you create this clone of the ball, and the ball will come out and will shoot until 220, and then you will hide after that, so that it's out of the so that it's gone from the screen, and all that if it hits Giga, right, then you can also hide, right?
So either way it hides.
Yeah, actually I'm not sure if this code is necessary.
Just put it in.
Yeah. Okay. Now, then we go back to this one, right?
Let's go back. So did we cover this part already?
Yep.
Yeah. So just play some drum machine until done as usual. Play one thing and play one loop. You can find it when you add the sound that loops here. Just to make it easier for you to find. It took us a few minutes to find it. Anyway, so you must set all of this.
Yeah, we talk about this, right?
And set timer, and just in case you didn't know, which I'm very sure you already knew. Wait, where's the timer? Where's the timer functions? Oh yeah, there. So it's like, which is very simple, pretty simple and straightforward. Forever, wait 1 second, change timer by -1.
Yeah.
And just in case you didn't know, 60 seconds is 1 minute.
I'm sure they know. Okay, so now, now we have
if player 1 turn equals 1, then switch costume to player 1. Show, wait 1 second, hide.
1 second, right? So you should player 1.
Actually, that was sort of my idea to make it two costumes, right?
Yeah. Then after that, if it's otherwise, then you switch to costume 2.
Because
Basically, player.
because I think we had a lot of projects that we used the costume, right?
Yeah. Okay. Shall we explain this last part and then we're done? Actually, this game is quite easy.
So it's like, so you use text to speech,
Mm-hmm.
but let's tell them you press this button and then you press text to speech.
Yeah.
You can also play music and draw your sprites, video sensing, translate, Monkey Mickey, which is I don't know what it is, and Microbit, and
Yeah.
I don't know what
Some
it
of
is.
this we don't use
Uh-huh.
for now,
But
right?
we do use this,
Okay. Let's go
and
back.
it was in our previous videos, but let's not read it out.
Okay. With that.
So we are supposed to choose this.
Okay. I think we're done.
So and then you're supposed to make it say time's up, and then stop for all, and then
And that is the end of a very simple tutorial.
except that it's not. You forgot one detail, as you always do.
All right. Okay.
You forgot to explain this part.
Okay. Let's go through.
Very simple actually. If touching Gigaballs, touchdown crunch, which is this. So yeah, it's just a sound. And then set voice is this one, but you can change it anytime. If you are a girl, boy, or if you are a girl or a woman, you can choose this. And if you are a boy or a man, you can choose this. And I chose this. So and then change the player 2 scores by 1 because, well, he should hit him, and then you should, well, make this +1, which is how we did it. And then say ouch for 1 second, and then wait 0.5 seconds because in the other games we realized that if there's something hit for too long, the scores go up too much when it should be just 1 point per hit.
Good.
And then you duplicate, you bring this, drag and drop here.
And hey presto, you have the same thing, right? You just need to adjust a little bit.
Because it was player 2 score.
So you just need to adjust it back.
Player 1 score. And just now, in case you didn't see, it was player 1. You got it.
Yeah,
but
you
now
gotta
I
change
have
all this
2. You got it.
well. Alright, so that's all for today, I think.
Yep.
Pretty straightforward game.
Pretty
Hope you enjoyed this.
But now let me just save it. Saving it.
Okay, maybe you should say goodbye to everyone and good night.
Goodbye. Not good night. but for us it's good night, and for us the time is 9:39.
Okay, goodbye everyone. Hope you enjoyed
Bye.
the tutorial.
And if it's night time, good night.